Guys, good morning guys. So, wala itong trabaho to guys. So, finish na na guys. Muli ang first, second row guys. Kasi guys. Okay guys. Muli ang third. Okay guys, yung pa ito guys. Una guys. Okay guys. Guys, guys. Okay guys, ang kado first. Parang experience na itanan guys, pag-awareness na itanan. Guys, salamat sa pagsasigino guys. Kalang yatay ka na ito guys sa trabaho nyo guys. Partil guys. So guys, experience na itanan guys. Guys, good morning guys. Updates na ito guys. God bless guys, sigmayang buntag ka na itong tanan.